Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the app you are trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app, then please watch this video. So before anything else, if your system is in S mode, then you will have to overcome it. I have a separate video on this. But otherwise, the solution is very easy. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced app settings. Now there's something which says choose where to get the apps, and then you can select it at anywhere. Do not select it at any other option like the Microsoft Store only. Do not do that. Simply select it at anywhere. Otherwise, your system will only permit you to download apps from the Microsoft Store. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.